Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Go2 Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, simply search for Go2 Bank by typing it in the search box. Once you find the application, just tap on it to open it up, and then you will find the install button. Simply tap on it and this will begin the download and installation of the Go2 Bank application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Go2 Bank application and sign into your account to start using it on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Go2 Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.